In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option illustrating the correct match between the cell-learnal and metabolic activity. For this, let me avoid the wrong option with the appropriate explanation. Why we are avoiding option B? Why? Because the glycogen synthesis happens in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Why we are avoiding option C? Why? Because fatty acid oxidation happens in mitochondria. Why we are avoiding option D? Why? Because oxidation of phospholipid happens in the membrane. Why we are accepting option A? Why? Because the lipid synthesis happens in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. With this specification, we are choosing option A as a correct answer. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a major site for lipid synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum makes a nuclear membrane. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum are arranged in closer proximity with the nucleus. With this specification, we are choosing option E as a correct answer. Why? Because smooth endoplasmic reticulum is mainly responsible for the lipid synthesis. With this specification, we are choosing option E as a correct answer to secure 4 marks after ignoring option B, C, and D.